Hey guys, welcome to Cook with Nancy. Today I want to show you guys how to make shawarma sauce. I'm going to show you two types of shawarma sauce. One is hot sauce and one is tahini sauce. This is super easy than you think it is. It's great for storing in the refrigerator for a couple months. If you're new to my channel, welcome. If you haven't subscribed, go ahead and hit the subscribe button right now. That way you don't miss on upcoming videos. Go ahead and watch the full video to see how to make the sauces.